Welcome to another video on my Arduino Mega2560 right here. Through SPI connected to Arduino Uno with electronics and fischertechnik mechatronics, as well as two motors. And this one runs, and this one was running as well. Now it fills a bit again, but the problem was this transistor here was not seated correctly, and now this LED is doing its job again, and if right it will keep running, but so far unfortunately it fails again. Anyway, where I was last time is that I added in this code of the 2560. Let me show you. A part where I or piece of code where I print every character that is being dealt with. And it turns out that every character is a byte of some with content. And now the question is, do I get everything back as expected, despite odd numbers, or am I not? And that is a very big question. Now here the end is 0, which is 48, and here I am supposed to get a 0 back here. And then the big question is, where is that 0? Do I get a 48 back somewhere, or a 10? Well, right now this is a 0 and this is a 10. If I get the 0 back, it is from here, which is not correct. But on the other hand, I'm doing two transfers at the same after another. And the big question is there time enough that I get the correct one back? So is this being sent? Is this one being sent instead of this one? That is a very big question. And in this episode I'm going to find out if that is actually true. Not quite sure how, but well, that's the fun of investigation, of finding out stuff. So a simple way of finding it out is actually eliminating the second transfer. What do I get then? Here I can leave everything as is. Here I should disable the transfer and see whatever happens then. So let's disable it and see. Actually it is not just this that I have to uncomment or comment out. It is this that I have to comment out, or more appropriate. It starts with low and then a high and then printing out, so I have to start here and end here. So this will be all commented. And with this I can see whatever is coming back, what really is coming back. So yeah, upload. And then here. Oh, and of course so my guess is that it is only 10 indeed that is coming back. Only 10 and nothing else. But what is 10 anyway? It says decimal, but is that indeed being done? So if I now look at this side, SPI is 0. Now what is DR is SPDR is 1 is 48. Is that so? No, that is not one. That's not true. SPDR 1 isn't 48 because 0 is 48. See? Oh wait. That's a nice one. Okay, I have to rephrase. SPDR is 1, and here I say C is this. So now I have to say, okay, let's say C, I make this byte CR is SPDR, and then I say alright, C1, now CR. So this is a very different byte now. I say I assign 1 to SPDR, then I assign SPDR to CR, and now I'm very curious what happens here. So upload. SPDR 1 48. Really? That's not true. This is definitely not true. So I am changing this back to 0. Zero again. Upload. (41) 48. No, that's not true. One and 0 can't be both 40. What's going on here? This makes absolutely no sense unless I am doing something wrong which I don't realize, but so far, right, let me do it like this. Very different. Not declared in this scope. I know. Alright, then what shall we use? 23, I don't mind. Will it be 48 again? Yep. 48. I am missing something very much. Question is what? So here something really goes wrong, and that affects this part. Episode. I've been trying with this part of the code to get a nice value. However, no matter what I try here, it stays 48. And that is simply not possible. So what I'm going to do now with this value, or with this result, is going here and once again see for the serial monitor. What do I get? 10. This is very simply said not possible. Or should I indeed put this here? Is that it? Well, only one way to find out. Copy, let me uncomment this and put this here. Upload. See whatever happens. Exactly the same. Exactly the same. So that is no solution. So this one goes, and this one is commented in again. So that is no solution. Then what is going on here? How can it be that this is every time 48, no matter what is being done? The point is, of course, that this is no integer. This is a string of characters, and that also means that the 0 is not a 0 but a character. And this character is being assigned to a byte, and this byte is being sent. Now here, let me go back to the Uno and the monitor again, and wait for it, and here we say C is N 0 command. Well, that is perfectly possible. Everything is here. This is between quotes and this is between quotes, so this means that this is a character, a byte actually, and if I remove these quotes around the 0, this will not be executed, which says enough about that, which does not explain why this is not being done. Also, when I put this, for example, between double quotes, single quotes don't matter, so maybe this does matter. I don't think so, by the way. Nope. So here I have a line. SPDR is 0x7. 0x usually stands for byte or a hexadecimal, Oh, that's a nice idea. If I say A, which is hexadecimal for 10. 0xa is 10, decimal 10. What would happen then? According to this, it is being printed decimal. I can print it in hex. So, whatever is being printed, if I say hex, then I can see whatever is being printed. Didn't think of that, but let's see whatever happens. $30. Now this is all the same. So if I say here decimal, $48. So 48 is the decimal. Doing binary. Yeah, that is now I am going back here with 1. $30. Really? So now I'm removing the quotes. What will it be? 30 and the same. And 1. What is 1 anyway? This is just an integer. Here is nothing to see. So this remains a mystery for now. But here is the key somewhere to a successful return from the SPI. But where? I leave it at that. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, and let me show the cameras again, because that is what it is about still. Well, amongst others. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Give it thumbs up, leave a comment if you want. Also you can follow me on Twitter, retweet and like. You can follow me on Instagram and like. Leave comments. Please donate to keep videos coming to you. Information is at the start of this video and on my website, and this is going to be continued obviously. Bye bye.